Welcome or welcome back to UTech Exam Prep, and for today's video we're going to be looking at this question right here. So take a minute, pause the video here, and see if you can do it yourselves. Okay, so this question describes a gaming company that needs a highly available architecture, low latency front-end tier, traffic routing to the nearest edge location, static IP addresses, and its goal being to ensure the best possible user experience for a UDP-based application. Now let's analyze our options here. Option A uses Route 53 to forward requests to an ALB plus AWS Lambda. Now, Route 53 is AWS's DNS service, so this is good. But ALB works at layer 7, the application layer, and does not support UDP. And Lambda is for event-driven compute, not real-time gaming workloads, so this is not a suitable solution. Option B uses CloudFront to forward requests to a network load balancer plus AWS Lambda. Now, CloudFront is a CDN, but primarily for HTTP and HTTPS. And CloudFront does not support UDP traffic. Lambda is not ideal for gaming applications requiring persistent connections, and it is because of these reasons it is not fit for the requirement. For option C, on the other hand, it uses AWS Global Accelerator with a network load balancer plus EC2 autoscaling. Now, AWS Global Accelerator is a layer 4 transport layer service, which is great. It supports UDP traffic and routes requests to the nearest AWS edge location for low latency. It provides static IP addresses for consistent entry points, so this is the best solution so far. For option D, it uses API Gateway to forward requests to an ALB plus EC2 autoscaling. Now, API Gateway is great for managing APIs, but API Gateway and ALB do not support UDP traffic. This is not designed for gaming workloads and does not meet the low latency requirement. So the best option here is option C, which uses AWS Global Accelerator plus Network Load Balancer. Now the reason for this is why this is the best and how it works is that AWS Global Accelerator improves latency by routing users to the nearest AWS edge location. It supports UDP traffic, which is essential for gaming applications. It provides static IP addresses for consistent endpoints, and the network load balancer efficiently handles high throughput UDP traffic and forwards it to EC2 instances. Now, the key takeaways for this question. Well, AWS Global Accelerator is the best choice for low latency UDP-based applications. It routes users to the closest AWS edge locations. It provides static IPs, ensuring a stable entry point. And Network Load Balancer efficiently handles high throughput UDP traffic. Now, that is it for this question. Thank you for watching, and of course, subscribe.